Some of mankind's greatest inventions can be attributed to our exceptional power of observation. Something as simple as a kite was born out of observing birds. And incredibly, so was the airplane. The human mind has done wonders for the world of science and technology. Dreams have been realized by the mere power of human understanding. Man wanted to take to the skies, and thus was born the airplane. And ever since, no mode of transport has so fascinated mankind. Since India opened its skies in 1991, the aviation industry has grown by leaps and bounds, and with more and more opportunities created in the aviation sector. Thakur Educational Group identified this demand. And the Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology was born. One look around this beautiful campus and you would know why. There is a buzz around like no other. The atmosphere is such that you feel you are a part of the aviation industry already. Every part of this institute has been carefully designed and maintained for the next generation of aircraft maintenance professionals as they try to step into a fascinating world of aircrafts. Thakur Educational Group vows to help you take that step with all its capacity. Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology has become the market leader in producing the best aircraft maintenance engineers. TIAT, as it is commonly known, has a simple vision to produce technically sound, dedicated and self-disciplined aircraft maintenance engineers. And with that vision, it aims to provide quality technical education and strive to prepare students with professional excellence worthy of service to the industry, society and the nation. TIAT offers 2 courses in the mechanical stream, one which incorporates the study of heavy airplanes and jet engines, the other which involves the study of rotary wing aircraft, commonly known as helicopters, jet engine and piston engine. The other course is from the avionics stream, where aircraft electrical systems, instrument systems and radio navigation systems are studied in detail. With the correct mix of theoretical and practical training, these 3-year courses will make sure that students get absorbed by the aviation industry as thoroughly trained professionals. All these courses are approved by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, and to meet the optimum quality assurance requirements, the Institute has even opted for the ISO 9001-2008 certification for all courses. Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology strives to live up to its promise of providing quality technical education on par with international institutes to prepare its students for the aviation industry. When it comes to aircraft maintenance, there is no substitute for a hands-on approach. And knowing that very well, Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology has made sure that the students get to work on true-to-life aircrafts and machines, which are on par with industry standards. And it proudly boasts of an actual Boeing 747 aircraft, which finds home in the wonderful campus. Nothing better for students than working on an actual Boeing and seeing their dream come true. Students are not only exposed to the mechanical working of this giant aircraft, They are in fact given a thorough insight and a 360-degree tour of the aircraft. So much so that TI-80 has maintained the aircraft not only from the outside but also worked painstakingly to refurbish its interiors. It feels nothing less than a business class suite with industry standard upholstery and lighting. So if you need the feel of an actual Boeing 747, look no further. Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology believes in providing only the best exposure to its students. And the Boeing 747 is a prime example of its efforts to create a top-class learning environment for aspiring industry professionals. Some of us can only dream of entering the pilot's den. But here at TI-80, it is a part of the routine, a small part of a vast spectrum. The electrical lab at TI-80 will give students an inside view of the electrical systems in an airplane as they understand its working in detail. Students will learn the system that replaces the conventional manual flight controls of an aircraft with an electronic interface. The radio navigation lab is another crucial aspect of a student's learning process at TI-80. Because when it comes to aircraft, safety is the topmost priority, and radio navigation systems are a mainstay of almost all modern-day aircraft. For every moving vehicle, be it cars or airplanes, nothing can be as important as the engine. And TI-80 has made sure that its students receive the best input and learning from the engine workshops. No other industry sets higher standards with regard to safety than the aerospace industry. And hence, a circuit breaker mock-up is another vital part of the syllabus. TI-80 also has a small power plant which consists of a turbo starter, where students learn about an integral part of an aircraft engine. Students also get a hands-on know-how of the working of a turbine starter in TI-80's state-of-the-art laboratories. Students also get detailed lessons about the mechanical structure of aircraft in the airframe workshops. Apart from the Boeing 747, the Institute also has a Boeing 737 simulator, which helps the students get as close to a cockpit experience as possible. With an equally able and qualified staff of instructors, the experience that the students get with such simulation is extremely worthwhile. Modern aircraft construction is dominated by the use of sheet metal, and understanding its value, TI-80 has a wonderfully equipped sheet metal workshop where intensive learning about aircraft construction takes place. A Cessna 150M also finds home at the Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology, and it proves to be the ideal standard aircraft for students to study when it comes to maintenance work. Working on a fully functional aircraft is a crucial part of the syllabi of TI-80, and the students approach these workshops with the excitement and energy of a child. Right from the engine to its wings, every aspect of aircraft maintenance is taught by certified and the equally enthusiastic staff at TI-80. Even a Learjet 24 finds itself parked and is open for students to work on. Another aircraft to add variety to learning, and the students can't be happier. When the engines start, the feeling is simply unmatched. Every model acquired by TI-80 is fully functional so as to leave no stone unturned. Since the course also involves the study of helicopters, why leave that behind? A fully functional and ready-to-fly helicopter also finds a place in the Institute. If you are not excited about the prospect of getting your hands on these marvelous machines, You never will be. Apart from the incredible infrastructure, which is crucial to student learning, TI-80 also consists of spacious and air-conditioned classrooms with all the modern teaching aids. Computer-based learning also helps students grasp the lessons at their own pace. TI-80 has a fully computerized central library with exceptionally stocked volumes of textbooks, reference books, automated CDs and periodicals for the entire spectrum of the aviation disciplines. 2 spacious and well-lit reading halls provide students with the best ambience for studying. Along with this, TI-80 also has an e-library with more than 20 computers with high-speed internet facilities for the convenience of the students. Indoor Gymkhana. A spacious and clean cafeteria. A student cooperative store. That every minute spent on campus is a memorable experience. Another unique and fascinating part of the institute is the non-destructive testing laboratory. The TI-80 NDT Maintenance Organization was established in March 2011 with approval from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. With a vision to meet the aviation requirements of non-destructive inspection, TI-80 NDT has committed itself to offer its services to all airlines. Tata Steel Aviation Service, Alchemist Aviation and Garg Aviation are just some of the many prestigious corporates who avail of its services. In addition to their courses in the mechanical and avionics stream, TI-80 also offers a BSc Industrial Science degree and diploma course from the Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University. And what after successful completion of your course at the Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology? Countless government-owned, private and foreign airlines, maintenance and overall organizations lie in wait for the industry-ready engineer in you. And the numbers keep getting better with each passing year as the booming airline industry requires more and more skilled professionals for its success. But remember, here at Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology, you do not learn to fly. Instead, you are here to make sure that an airplane takes flight successfully. You are not here to rule the skies. You are here to help the industry do it. Just like there is no fire without fuel, there is no flight without an aircraft engineer. Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology will not help you realize your dream about having wings to fly, but it sure will help you build those wings that end up flying into the horizon.